Hey guys, hope you all had a gorgeous week. Today I'm here with my cousin.
Hi, my name is Siddhant. I am studying in 5th standard.
Today we are here to debunk some of the viral science experiments. So without a further ado, let's move on to the experiment. But before that, what did the science book tell to the maths book?
It said you have many problems.
So for the first one,
We will be doing this.
so first let's pour in the water.
Okay.
We have this plastic container and for this we'll be pouring in water. As in the video, we must fill it fully until the line. So we see that the arrows are in this direction. Now we lower it. We see that the arrows change their direction to this side. So we can conclude that this experiment works. Here we have two glasses as taken in the video. So to this now we'll add some water. As shown in the video, I'll add salt to this one. So here I have some blue color which is mixed in water to make a dilute solution which can be poured easily. So I'll add some of it to here. Now we'll do the same to the other container. Now we see that in the first container, the color hasn't dissolved all throughout the water. This is because of the salt presence in it. But in the other container, we see that the color has gone all through the water and dissolved equally. So this experiment too has successfully worked.
Wow, that was amazing experiment.
So here we have a similar setup with the same drawing and also some water in a cup. I've also drawn on the cover just like they have shown in the video, but let's see how it works.
You can see here.
We saw that it worked, but we saw that we could only see the arms because I could not get the ink on the cloths to stay. So we can see that this works only if the sketch pen retains its ink. Okay, we saw that all the three experiments worked, and the last time I tried the same, some of them did not work but some of them did. So we can conclude that most of the times the experiments which are viral work, but not always.
That was so nice experiments. I love it, and I took lot of fun. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.
Bye. Meet you next time.
Bye bye.